Welcome to the relaxing coloring channel. In this video I draw an alarm clock. First, I will draw the body of the clock. Let's draw together with me. I really like to draw, and you? Now I draw the hands of the clock. Now I write the numbers. The hands of the clock twist and point to the numbers. People use numbers to understand time. The alarm clock has bell cups. The alarm clock uses them to make a sound. It helps a person to wake up on time. Dark yellow. Do you have a clock? Magenta. Clocks can make a great addition to an interior. I really like unusual clocks. Dark green. Magenta. It is actually a retro alarm clock. Nowadays, people mostly use a smartphone instead. It is more convenient. Wow, the alarm clock in the picture looks like a real one. See you in the next video.